In 2026, boho baby showers continue to trend with their soft, earthy, and relaxed aesthetic. DIY backdrops using macrame, balloons, and natural textures create a warm, stylish space, perfect for celebrating a new arrival.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
Why is the boho baby shower theme trending in 2026? Boho themes offer a calm, natural, and stylish look that feels both modern and timeless. In 2026, parents love decor that blends simplicity, texture, and earthy tones for a relaxed celebration. Love boho vibes? Like this if earthy style wins. What signage works for a boho baby shower backdrop? Use wooden or acrylic signs with simple script fonts. Neutral signage blends seamlessly with the overall design. Sign added, like this, if details matter. What materials enhance a boho backdrop? Use wood stands, pampas grass, linen fabric, and woven textures. These materials add warmth and reinforce the boho aesthetic. Textures layered? Like this, if natural decor wins. What makes a boho backdrop truly memorable? The combination of textures, soft colors, and relaxed styling creates a beautiful space guests will love and remember. Feeling the vibe? Like this if it feels unforgettable. What colors work best for a boho backdrop? Neutral tones like beige, cream, terracotta, and soft browns work beautifully. Adding muted blush or sage keeps the palette soft and balanced. Palette chosen? Like this if soft tones shine. What lighting works best for a boho setup? Soft natural light or warm string lights enhance the cozy atmosphere. Gentle lighting highlights textures beautifully. Glow ready? Like this if ambiance wins. What balloon colors match a boho theme? Balloon garlands in cream, nude, dusty rose, and terracotta create a soft and modern look. Organic balloon shapes enhance the natural aesthetic. Balloon setup planned? Like this if soft clusters win. How do I keep the backdrop minimal yet stylish? Stick to a neutral palette and avoid overcrowding. A few, well-placed elements create a more elegant and modern design. Minimal approved? Like this if less feels more. How do I combine macrame and balloons together? Place macrame as the center backdrop and frame it with balloon garlands on one or both sides. This creates balance and a focal point. Backdrop styled? Like this if layering excites you. How can I make this theme feel modern in 2026? Use clean layouts, organic balloon designs, and muted tones. These elements update the boho style while keeping it timeless. Modern boho approved? Like this if fresh style wins. How can I create a DIY macrame backdrop? Use macrame wall hangings, or create simple rope designs on a wooden frame. Layering macrame pieces adds texture and visual interest. Macrame, ready? Like this if texture matters. Can this backdrop work indoors and outdoors? Yes. Boho backdrops look beautiful in both spaces. Outdoor settings especially enhance the natural, earthy theme. Location ready? Like this, if flexibility matters. Boho baby shower backdrops in 2026 combine natural textures, soft tones, and effortless style. With DIY macrame and balloons, you can create a warm and stunning celebration space. Loved these boho backdrop ideas? Like and come back for more 2026 inspiration.